What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new freaking banger. Let's go. We got another unboxing coming your way. We got Supreme, and it's not just Supreme this video. We got something special. We got a big thing that we guys got today, and that is going to be the PS5. We did get a dub. If you guys were able to see my last video, you guys know that I caught a dub on PlayStation. I think that was 2 nights ago. I actually got it 2 nights ago, and I just got it today in the mail. Free 1 or 2 days shipping with PlayStation if you have PS Plus. That was a very, very good deal. But anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing a couple Supreme packages from week 11. I did get 2 fatty carts with Swiftsole. If you guys want to check out my live cop, I will post that right here. So definitely make sure you guys go check out that video and give that a thumbs up. Definitely give a thumbs up for this video. That'd be much appreciated. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the top package. I'm probably gonna save the PS5 for last. All right. So we got here, I'm actually just gonna dump it all out. All right, so we got, this one's gonna be, oh, okay. So we got 2 regular box logo stickers in this pack right there. No biggie. This one's gonna be first of the 2 woven label beanies that I did get with Swiftsole. These are all gonna be multi-carts as well, fatty multi-carts with free shipping. Then we got this, oh wow, that is a really small harmonica. I didn't realize it was gonna be this freaking tiny. But yep, that is the harmonica right there. I'm probably gonna be ended up keeping this anyway, so I will take it out of the packaging. I wish they didn't put taping on this like this. This is weird. Wow, this is so small. This might actually just stay in the collection for my key. If you guys don't know, I do have a really big, well, not a really big, but I have a key collection and growing. Does this even actually work? Oh, it does. That's crazy. So it has Honer on the back side right here, if you guys can see that, and then a little Supreme box logo right there. I actually do like this. This is pretty nice. I'm gonna put that off to the side for now. All right. Then we also did catch one of these iPhone cases. I personally do not have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I do plan on upgrading. I wonder if this will fit the iPhone 12. I don't know, really quite sure, but if it doesn't, I'll just end up selling this anyways or giving it away, or maybe I'll do like a giveaway once I reach like 100 subscribers. Huh? Maybe no. Just definitely subscribe if you guys want to stay tuned for that. Next item, I did get 2 of these, one for the personal, one for the resale. This one is gonna be, what was the exact name for this again? Two-tone Kinch Plant. And the black extra large, I did get both of the same. I will go ahead and un-DS this one just because I am keeping one of them for the personal. Let me stand up real quick so I can show you guys. So just a Supreme tag here on the back. We got a drawstring that can tighten up and loosen however you want. There's some button pockets right here. Supreme, I thought this was gonna be a little lower than what it is, but I actually like this a lot better, where it's placed. What is this? Is this another pocket or? Oh yeah, there's another pocket. There's 2 pockets going down on the right side. Is there 2 on this side? Yep, there is 2 on this side as well. 2 zip pockets on the back right there. And then the other tag on the inside right there that tells you all about all the washing and how you wash it and all that stuff. Is 100% cotton. I don't really feel like throwing it on the body right now because I'm not going to change, but yep, that is the cotton Kinch pant for the personal. I totally forgot to get my scissors, but I will be right back. All right, this one's going to be 2 of 2 from the week. Hopefully I got a little better stickers. I don't think they actually been doing specialty stickers for the last like few weeks though, unfortunately. All right, so let's see what we got here. So we got a Windstopper ear flap 6 panel in the black. I am probably honestly gonna end up selling this one, so I'm not gonna un-DS that. That over here for now. Then we also got another one of these woven label beanies in the green. I'll probably end up selling both of them just because I'm not too much of a fan of this label, but I know it'll still probably resell for a little bit, so I'll leave that over there. 2 more regular box logos, and then just another one of these hitch pants right here. Just another one of those. Throw that over there. Right, not on to the more exciting part. I want to see if I can actually angle my camera a little bit better so you guys can get a better view while I'm sitting. All right, that might be a little better. I'll go back a little bit. So we are gonna unbox this here together. I wanna be very careful. I'm not trying to damage this expensive ass system. Woo-wee, 825 gigs. I wish it was a little bit more than that, to be honest. And we got a little card from PlayStation that says thank you right there. Congratulations on your PlayStation 5. The big day is finally here. Thank you for your support, and we really hope you enjoy the journey. As a small token of your appreciation, please visit PlayStationStore.com to redeem a special gift. And it has a little code here. Wait, huh? I get a little special gift. I'm gonna have to go check that out. Wow, this box like legit fits this perfectly. It fits this perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay this like this on my lap, and then I'm gonna slowly take this up. Careful. All right. Here we go. There it is. This is actually kind of a big box. It has a handle on top to carry it. So it can go to 8K. Maybe that's just videos or like Blu-ray and something like that. But then we has a 4K, 120 frames per second, high HDR. Wait a second. Did they send me the digital? I swear to God they charged me for the fucking... Wait a sec. Hold on. I swear to God they charged me for the fucking... Hold on. Hold the fuck... Swear to God they charged me for the fucking... Alright, hold on. I'm gonna stop the recording real quick just because I have an issue real quick to resolve. Alrighty guys, well... Unfortunately, I did not get the one that I was actually ordered, and I actually was charged for the freaking disc one. So I'm gonna have to go through and contact Sony or PlayStation, whatever their customer support, and see what the fuck is up. I have no idea why they would send me the wrong one. I was charged freaking over $500 for the fucking disc one, and they sent me the fucking cheaper one. I'm actually really fucking pissed right now. I'm sorry guys, that just kind of ruined the whole video, but definitely please subscribe for me. That would be much appreciated. Drop a like for your boy. That'll make me feel a lot better after this. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.